Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI. If you are looking for a way to keep your food fresh, then I highly recommend these grip sticks. These are amazing. I will admit, when I first saw them, I did not know how to use it right away, but they're really easy to use and they do keep my food as fresh as possible. I'm used to your chip clip, that I grew up with, but that really doesn't seal out the air like this does. And they're really easy to use. I like that it comes in a variety pack for smaller bags, or this big long one for your big chip bags. And these have worked out really well. I've used them a lot, so much so that the grip stick is actually starting to rub off. That's how often that we use these here at my house. And my food stays fresh. So I like how durable these are. I like that they are easy to store because they are small and slim, so they're easy to tuck into a drawer. Compact, really great and easy to use and keep everything tasting great, then I highly recommend these, but that's just my point of view.